Hello everyone, I'm Christina and I'm going to show you how I fake a lift brow in 7 simple steps. Step 1, hide the end of your eyebrows. I'm gonna use first soap and brush this up to stay in place. Once dry, I'll use loose powder. Then I'll use this Supracolor in Ivory from KRYOLAN. And use a sponge and start topping. Layer with few coats of loose powder and the KRYOLAN again, and finish with loads of loose powder. Draw the shape that you want, drawing only on top, and shape the angle pointing outwards and upwards. Once you have the shape ready, fill in those gaps with the color that you preferred. So in my case, I'm going to use this quite dark brown color. And if you want to have that Sister Kardashian's eyebrow look, you need to build here in this section and make it narrower in this section. Fill in that section very gently. We don't want any harsh lines. And you can use the brush in the direction of the hair growth. So next step will be brush your eyebrows up and draw some stroke lines if needed to imitate hair. But I want to have this very dark eyebrows effect, so I'm not gonna draw any lines. Use the sponge to remove any harsh lines in between the eyebrows. Use concealer to make the shape sharper and highlight the most prominent areas under and over the brows. And finally, I'm gonna highlight the same area with highlighter using this Parallel ANASTASIA Beverly Hills.